We'll soon be on our way to install your new Virgin Media services. Before we arrive, make sure someone aged 18 or over will be there on installation day to talk to the engineers and make decisions about your installation. You'll also need to be prepared to move any vehicles or obstacles that might block access to your property, so our engineers have a safe working space. On installation day, 1 or 2 of our friendly engineers will come to install your services. This usually takes up to 2 hours, though in some cases it could be longer. Before they get started, they'll assess the condition of your property and together you'll agree a plan about what's going to happen. To get fibre running straight to your home, our engineers need to do some work outside your property. They'll need to run a cable to a small box on the outside of your house. This will require a small amount of drilling so it can be attached to the wall, and it's where the internal and external connections will meet. Our engineers will try to place this in a location close to where the hub will be inside your home, or somewhere else easily accessible. They'll then run a cable from a nearby network connection point to the box they just installed. This cable will run either overhead or underground. If it's overhead, they'll run the cable from a nearby telegraph pole and attach it to the wall of your property using a bracket. They'll then run the cable down your house to ground level, where it'll be connected up to the box. If the cable needs to run underground, we may have to do a small amount of digging. If our engineers can find a suitable route underneath grass, they'll slice and lift some of the turf, which will be put back once the cable's installed. If you have a block or pattern driveway that the cable needs to run under, this might require a separate visit. This is so we can ensure everything's put back neatly once the cable's been placed. If this is the case, our engineers will discuss this with you. Once the outside cable's been installed, our engineer will move on to the work inside your home. They'll need to drill a small hole through your wall to place a cable wall box inside. This connects everything up. Our engineer will then test the connection, set up the hub, and activate your broadband along with any other services, such as a stream box. As part of the setup, our engineer will do a quick scan to make sure you're getting Wi-Fi in the different rooms of your house. If the scan finds a Wi-Fi black spot in a hard-to-reach room, we can help tackle it by installing a Wi-Fi pod. Once all that's done, they'll show you how the whole thing works. Ta-da! Before they leave, they'll tidy up and run through a checklist to show you what they've done. Job done. Welcome to Virgin Media.